Every child is a born winner. You are a masterpiece. Good morning and welcome to your English class. In today's class, we are going to learn a poem written by Pablo Neruda, The Food from Its Child. Pre-reading activity. Here, we are going to do some activity before we start the session. Let me ask a few questions to you all. Heart. Some parts of our body are not normally attributed metaphorically. That means heart to emotions, head to reason, and so on. And what do the following expression mean? Stand on one's own feet means self-reliant. That means you are independent. Next phrase, next expression, to have a brain heart means you are ready to do something deliberately, you're bold. In cold blood, that means brutal. Take to one's heel means take for granted. So here, when you say heart for emotion, when you are sad or you want to express something, for example, the symbol of love. If you love somebody, you will show the picture of heart. And head for reason. Sometimes your parents or teachers may say that use your head, reason yourself, question yourself, think. These are the meanings. Today we are going to learn the summary of the poem written by Pablo Neruda. The food as a metaphor to the trials and tribulation of human life. So here the word food is used as a metaphor, and this shows that the difficulties of human life from birth to death and his dreams and realities. When you try to accomplish your dreams, it is not really easy. It is hard. That is harsh realities. In this poem, always you have to remember that this poetry is telling to, or the poet is trying to convey us the realities of life. When you step a ladder, it is easy to climb up a ladder. Is it so? Yes, life is a journey. So you have a lot of expectation, and when you try to make your dreams, your expectation to reality, you have to really work hard. Striving and hardship, then only you will be a winner. But when you are born, all are equally talented. But if you want to prove yourself, you have to work hard. You have to struggle and strive to achieve your dreams. So here, poet is trying to bring certain things into your life. That is the meaning of dreams, or the meaning of human life. Human life and the realities. When you try to make your expectations and realities, you have to overcome lot of obstacles. Here, the child's foot, when it is born, does not have the awareness to be a butterfly or an apple. For example, when you dream about something, you will never think about the hardship. You just want to do it. But when you work for that, you will understand it is not that easy. First of all, you have to understand your limitation. And the poet is trying to bring the harsh realities of this life, of our life. But as the child grows up and faces the hardship, like walking on stones and bit of glasses. Here, walking on stones means the realities and the hardship of life. So he's using the poetic terms. Life, we will say always, life is not always a bed of roses. You have to work hard. The ladders and the path is rough earth. And when you work ahead of your dream, or when you try to achieve your ambition, it is not that smooth. Then food realizes, then you realize that yes, the food is meant only to walk, it cannot fly. When you reach your maturity level, we can understand that we are all are travelers, and we try to accomplish lot of things in our life. Here, the food, without understanding its limitation, is wishing to be a butterfly or an apple. There is no logical connection between the food and the apple, but still the food is dreaming to become a butterfly or an apple. But once it reaches its maturity level, it understands that its dream cannot be fulfilled. Then it will be too late. The child's food is hurt. That means when the poet, or when the human beings or the child try to work hard to achieve his dreams or goals, it was really difficult. It is always depressed because of the struggles of the life. Here, the poetry is divided into the 4 stages of your life: childhood and reality, maturity, death, and rebirth. So these are the 4 stages of life where poet is trying to make us understand this is all about our life. But the child's food is unaware of all the fact, and it is condemned, it is cursing itself. Why on earth, or why I am imprisoned in this shoe? In the darkness of the shoe, it soon begins to understand the world in its own way. As the life goes, the child is understanding, yes, I am a foot and my life is like this. I cannot aspire to become a butterfly or an apple. And it started thinking or interpreting the meaning of life by its own experience. As the foot is enclosed in the darkness of shoe, here you can say that shoe can be the restriction or societal norms. When the child is born, the initial stage, it is full of freedom because of innocence, and after that the people or the society put lot of restriction on your life, telling not, don't, so many don'ts in your life, and that make you feel frustrated, and you have your own limitation. And as you walk ahead, the tribulation, the hardship increases. It is unable to see the other foot on the man's leg. The age start catching up with the foot. That means the child grown into a young man. Now slowly he is understanding the fact that if you are born, you have to undergo all this hardship in your life, and the child is ready to accept or adapt itself to the change. The foot which is enclosed in the darkness, now the child is trying to adapt himself to the societal condition, the norms, the rules and the regulation of the society. The soft nails of the baby would grow harder and change themselves into opaque substance, hard as horn. Now, as a child couldn't understand why all this difficulty. Now, when it is matured, it started interpreting its life in its own way, telling that Life is like this. And if you are born, you have to undergo, if you're born as a human being, you have to undergo a lot of struggles, and it is ready to accept the challenges. The tiny toes grow bunch out of the trim. They begin to look like eyeless reptiles. Means here means lot of problems in your life. We don't know. Today the life look better or harder, but tomorrow it is going to become more harder and harder. Lot of tribulation and sorrows surrounds your life. Later, the foot grows older. Then foot is accepting the reality. If I am born as a child, as a human being, the four stages of our life, that is childhood, or adulthood, old age, and death, that is the harsh reality. After working hard from the age of 5 to 60, what happens? The ultimate reality is death. Nobody cannot escape from death. And it try to accept the way it is. Even as we human being, we accept the reality that whatever we are achieving in the life is not permanent. One or the other day, we all are travelers. We don't inherit the earth. We are just like travelers, spend few years on the earth, but we work hard without without knowing the reality, and forget to enjoy the present moment. And finally, every day the hope factor make us to leave or go further. But life is not easy. Or if you want to become a winner or successful person in your life, you have to work hard. And knowing the reality, the child is working hard, and he's a matured human being right now. Once he achieves everything in life, it is time for him to say goodbye to the earth. And the foot walks, keeping your ambition, aspiration without even rest. It walks, it overworks, and do overtime work in order without sleep, in order to achieve the dreams. Once achieve your dream, it is finished. That is what life about. Now the food past the childhood, adulthood, and the old age. Now it realizes that the one last stage what the human have to undergo is death. And in these three stages in life, you have lot of problems in childhood, in your adulthood, and in your old age also we have lot of trouble and problem. But the poet is giving assurance that after death there will be a life. So in your life, if you have a problem in your life, what is making you to go ahead is hope. So the poet is telling that, of course, your problems or your hard work will be paid off in later life. Initially, the foot, without knowing what it is, it dreamt to become a butterfly or an apple. And now, once it reaches the maturity level, it realized that the dream what he had, it is not for him, because he is a foot, not a butterfly. After the death, we believe that there is a soul. His soul is free. During his lifetime, he never chose to follow his dreams or aspiration, because to survive, he has to work hard and the trials and tribulations of life. So here, the summary of this poet means that the poet Pablo Neruda, the Chilean poet, is trying to bring the reality. What reality? Harsh reality of life, that is, and the four stages in life, that is childhood, reality, maturity, death, and rebirth. And in the human life, nobody can escape. If you are born as a human being, you have to undergo this process. And hope is that the last line, the poet says that we hope that after this, all this hard work, you will be paid off one day. Or if you have any unfulfilled desire when you live on this earth, definitely in the next life it will be fulfilled. I hope it is clear. Have a safe and blessed day. Thank you.